In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to apply custom link detection to your publication. We're going to be working within the options in the main menu of the 3Issue software. This feature is designed for publishers that want an automated way to create unique URLs from their text in their publication, such as order numbers, product codes, or page numbers. This would be a real help if you have, say, an index in your publication that has lots of page numbers to link to, but they are simply text on a page within your PDF. Another example might be if your catalogue has a lot of items that you want to link directly to your web store, or have them added to a cart within your publication. So the custom link detection detects the text in question and places part or all of it in a URL for a server script. So how do we do this? Before you import your PDFs, we need to set up the detection process. So open the 3Issue software, and before you add the file, go to the Options menu, select Advanced, and then Custom Link Detection. This will open a new window on the screen. The first thing is to enable the custom link detection by selecting the checkbox. To detect the text, we use a concept known as regular expression or regex. These are essentially sets of characters that can be used to identify patterns in text. This is what is required in the first field on the screen. The basic syntax of regular expressions remains the same no matter where you use it. If you have a scripting programming background, you will probably already know what to do here. After we detect the text, we will most likely need it to do something with it, which brings us to the second entry in the dialog box. 3Issue offers 4 ways of using the detected text: linking to another page in your document, linking to an external page with a unique URL based on the text you have detected. Also, you can link directly to the shopping cart page or to a telephone number. We'll start off with a basic example of how we detect some text. Say we want to detect 123. We would simply enter 123 into the regex box. This will then detect all instances of 123 in the document. The same would apply to the normal text, just type it in. If we wanted to detect a product code on a page, say the product was always going to be similar to PA12345, then PA will always be in front and there will always be 5 numbers behind it. To use all or part of the detected text in the URL that is created, we use parentheses to capture this information. So for example, above we only want the numbers and the ending letter. The regex for this is shown on the screen now. If you wish to detect something similar to this, PA12345X, where X is a lowercase letter that might change, we would wrap that selection into the parenthesis. The captured text is then stored in a variable called $1. This variable can then be placed as part of your URL to signify that the captured text would be placed. For example, if we wanted to post the product number to a PHP script, we could use a URL similar to the one shown on screen now. The $1 would be replaced in the final URL with a detection text, so it would end up being as follows. For more options on detecting any combination of numbers and/or letters, please do contact us at support@3dissue.com. With this custom link detection script set up, you are now ready to import your PDFs. When you import your PDFs into 3Issue, you should see some hotspots created around the various links and detected items in the publication. Just click on them and select Properties if you just want to check that they are linking to or doing exactly what you think the custom text should do. Some important notes here. If you want to detect more than one type of link, you can do this as long as they are on separate pages. Import one page with the link detection enabled. Change the regex to find a different link. Import the next set of PDFs and then arrange them as needed. The detection will not work if words or text that you are detecting are separated by a table. This can't be detected as text. There are more complex sets of regex and syntax that can be used, however you should avoid any that use parentheses. There are many tutorials and tools available online for regex. Unfortunately we cannot link them all here, but they're not hard to find, or just ask us if you need help. Because of the nature of PDFs and the characters that can be embedded into the text, wildcard detection should be avoided as it will be unreliable at best. And this concludes our module on enabling custom link detection for your publication. As we said, if you need any help at all on this section, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@3dissue.com.